big dream of late Haji Shaukat Allah Bakhsh Bagwan, and their dreams come on way by his son Mr. Kesh Bagwan and Arish Bagwan of Bagwan Group of Industries. Fabric is a basic need of man, and to complete its need, so to promote the textile industries in Maharashtra, the Satyaraj Integrated Textile Park Private Limited, which is just 5 kilometers from the Manchester of Maharashtra, Italkaranji, 11 kilometers from Kagal MIDC, and 15 kilometers from Shirol Jaisingpur MIDC. For textile business, one of the best opportunity for integrated textile business is a park called Satyaraj Integrated Textile Park Private Limited. Attractive entrance of a park with landscaping, security cabin from a park, convenient privacy, special CCTV for security purpose, common 8 feet precast compound walls. Special guideline for project from different consultants, guideline for loans and export the goods, consultant to ensure central and state government subsidies, building construction of 1,56,000 square meter. In this project, we have internal cement concrete, 18 meter wide roads, parking area of 1,615 square meter. Amenity Center, Special Independent Electric Power Substation of 10 kVA from MSEDCL for 24/7 electric supply. Open space, Special Independent Water Storage Tank, Weaving Unit, Sizing and Wrapping, Worker Hostel, Canteen, Independent Spatial Pipeline of 9 inches and 6 inches from Panchganga River. Internal cement concrete roads with 18 meters. Provision of landscape on both sides of road. Better approach to each unit with spatial compound. Both sides high-mast street light for better visibility. Structure of a building from special architects and engineers. Suitable design of weaving units. Office, guest rooms, mill store, godown and store in proposed unit. Special mending room with loom hall as per requirement of unit holder. Underground internal drainage for all units, 24 hours doorstep delivery of water supply, electricity supply and fire control line for safety business for every unit. Underground civil constructed water tank of 10,000 liter capacity for each unit. Independent parking facility near every industrial shade and everywhere in the park. Trimax and insulation with attractive colors to loom unit, toilet and wash basin facility. Facilities of high-speed sizing and wrapping units inside the park. Provision of plots, garment units inside the park. Doorstep delivery of water supply for each unit. Groundwater reserve, that is water storage tank in park. Conference room in an administrative building. Common hall 24/7. Quality canteen with quality food. Independent Wi-Fi system. Convenient shops arrangement. Guest room and canteen arrangement for visitors. Worker hostel building in a park. Special room for group of workers. Independent kitchen and toilet in worker room. Green environment with paving block park, playground for children, landscape and garden, open space development. For more details, contact site Satyaraj Integrated Textile Park Private Limited in front of Awadi Paper Mill, Abdul Lad Shiv Nakwadi, Taluka Shirol, District Kolhapur. Maharashtra, India. www.sitp.in. Office at Bhagwan Textile, Gate number 481, Rugemala, Renukanagar, Yadrao, Taluka Shirol, District Kolhapur. Contact us at 97630 or 9028470721. You can also email us at bhagwantex@gmail.com.